At Teamstand, we create products and tools focused on reducing your pain points at work, like documents. Our free Chrome extension improves your filing by being the one place where you can search, auto-organize, and version control ID your files in Gmail and G Drive. The possible use cases are endless, but to make things a little more concrete, here's a quick use case for how Teamstand's extension can be used for contract renewal. So imagine it's time to renew a contract with your client. You remember Teamstand organizes all your documents automatically. To kick off, you decide it'll be easiest to go to your client's collection in Teamstand since it has all the documents you've exchanged with them all in one place. Alright, you find the contract from last year that you wanted to reference. Now, let's preview the document in Teamstand to make sure it's the one you need to work from. That's the one. Next, you download the document from Teamstand so you can go and make some needed updates to it. After making the edits for the new contract, you send it to your client for her review. Great. She's already responded. So you open the email and attach materials to see her suggestions. Because, well, there are always suggestions. Great. Now you'll have to scroll a long document to find her changes. Only, you remember that Teamstand compares versions of a document and highlights the changes for you. No need to toil through the different document versions line by line. It's fantastic. After reviewing the changes, you send it over to your legal team for them to look through. The team gives their final stamp of approval, and the final contract is now ready to share with your client. All in Teamstand. If you like what we're doing, let us know. We're building for dozens of use cases and are always looking for feedback from people like you. So play around with it and give us a shout.